How to fix Instagram story likes on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story likes on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find the apps again. It's easy, just clear Instagram cache and storage and clear cache here, and that's it. Story likes will be fixed, and or you can, if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone or go back here to data usage and enable this one, background data. Enable it, you will find it like that. Just enable it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.